Aurora. Iya, Mike masih mati ya. Oke,
Maaf aku telat, aku lupa.
lupa lagi.
Soalnya lagi
Kenapa?
makan sama nyuci piring.
Oh alah, oke oke, it's okay, no problem ya. Oke, tadi papa kamu ya, itu info kita tetap selesai jam 9, it's okay ya.
Iya,
Oke, maybe I will direct to the material ya, Aura, because ya
iya.
we have only 30 minutes ya. Can you see my screen now?
Hmm, iya.
Okay. It's about interface design. Do you still remember about last lesson? Last lesson, still remember what we are talking about?
Interface design.
Last lesson, ya.
Hmm.
I mean, 1 week ago.
Oh,
Atau 1 week ago kita libur ya? Aku lupa.
iya.
Berarti seminggunya lagi. 1 week
Nggak ingat.
before. We are talking, maybe we have a lot of time installing Visual Studio Code, right?
Yes.
Install the application, ya. Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, install the application. Yeah. Now let's try to create a simple program. Nah, okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. Today you will review what a class, a custom constructor, window application, and widget are. Learn how to arrange widget in layouts and combine multiple layouts into one. And the last one, create a new PC app. Yeah, if you have a time. Okay. Let's do check qualification, yeah. Show your knowledge of classes and the PyQt library. Okay. Say remember about an object, property method, and what is a class?
Oh, yes.
What is object? What is property method?
Object is like the thing of
Mhm.
itu.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's okay. Property
Yeah.
method,
Property, the method is like, properties is basically the walk.
the
The the movement. I don't know. I forgot. I forgot the
yeah.
name.
As you can see here, yeah, on based on slide, property are same as variable in native programming, yeah. But in object-oriented programming, we call variable with property. Yeah. And for function, still remember about
Oh,
function?
it's a variable inside an
Yeah. So
value.
no. Variable. Variable. Do you know about variable?
I forgot the names.
Variable. And if we do in
Oh,
oriented
what's,
programming,
what's the example?
like this this dot name, this dot age.
Okay.
I think I forgot about it, but it's okay. Yeah. Actually, but do you know about variable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In object-oriented programming, we call variable property. Yeah.
Oh, I know variable.
Nah,
Remember
okay.
now. Okay.
And then for function, still remember about function?
The codes. The
The code
thing.
starting with usually about function, starting with
That.
yeah, def. That's right. Now, in object-oriented programming, we call the function with method. Yeah, like it's an object. Yeah, the object has properties and methods. Yeah. Uh,
What's what's object again? Like, I
yeah.
mean,
Like
what's the
let's say like
definition?
turtle. Yeah, turtle is a turtle. For properties, the turtle have like legs, foot, yeah, hand, and then
Okay,
mm,
is that any
eyes.
like
Mhm.
I don't get the difference between property and object.
Oh, okay. For simple to understand, like we have car, yeah,
Yeah,
like this. Uh,
yeah.
you can define the properties like uh, how many uh, tire, yeah, how many tire, and then how many the window, and then how many door. That's we call properties, yeah, like variable. And then for methods, the car can move forward, move backward, turn left, turn right, like you do in function. Maybe after this slide, we have the example, yeah, to
Okay.
make you more understand. Okay, but okay, wait. What does the class consist of? Okay, how do we create a class? Okay, let's go to the example. There's no example. There's no example. All right, wait. Okay. Okay, let's forget about the object, yeah. Let's go to Windows application. Nah,
Okay.
I think we don't get it last lesson, yeah. A Windows application is a computer program that interacts with the user through a graphical interface, yeah, like this one. Nah, before this, we only create code, only text, right? There is no display like graphical, only text. Nah, a standard Windows application consists of the following: a main window, yeah, controls, the widget, yeah, like the button, the label, and etc. Yeah, and the last one, additional windows. This one is optional, yeah, like pop up. As you can see, like this one. Correct. You win a Giro scooter. Uh, Additional window, yeah,
Oh,
like
okay.
the arrow. Okay. Um, how do we create an app? What widget do you know? Okay. How we create the program? We can use PyQt5. Yeah. PyQt5 is a cross-platform library for building Windows applications. Uh, you can start it with type pyqt5.qt core import qt like this, and then for qt widgets, you can put five what we call it, like library, yeah, key application, key widget, key push button, key label, and key box layout. Uh, what is key application? What is key widget? You can see the table, this one. Okay. So if you want to create label, you can use Q label. If you want to create button, you can use push button and so on. Yeah. Okay. Nah, like you can see here. Nah, wait. Okay. The firstly, we need to type pyqt5.qt core import qt and then pyqt5.qt widgets import blah blah blah. Nah, we need to create Q application, Q widget, and then uh, set the main window dot show. Yeah, main win is the Q widget. Yeah, the widget. We need
Mm.
set it to show because by default the widget will hide. Yeah, by default. So you need to define show function like this, and then you need to run it by uh, type the variable app dot exec. You can use underscore or uh, without underscore. So app.exec parentheses. Okay, maybe you can try it first, yeah, before we continue the slide. Wait, I will stop my share screen. Okay, now your turn to share your screen, Aurora. But please remember to share your all screen, yeah, entire screen.
Oh, so I go. Okay, how? Entire screen.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, try to open your Visual Studio Code. Is that your sisters?
yeah.
Okay. Uh, let's go to the course. Yeah, type as usual. Yeah, go to learning is okay. Okay, you can try. Okay, number four is okay. Wait. Maybe we can try lesson one, number three. Yeah, yeah. Okay, crazy people. It's okay. Nah, yes. Okay, I will share the code. Mm, wait. Annotate. Okay. Yeah. Try to type it. try to run it first. Nah, yeah, sorry. This one. Okay. Okay. No module name PyQt5. Uh, so you need to install module called PyQt5 first. How to do that? Please type pip like this. Pip install PyQt5 like this. Pip install PyQt5 here.
Forgot to unmute. What's pip?
Huh?
What's pip? Pip.
Uh, I forget. Just
Oh,
type pip, yeah.
aduh.
I forgot
What
it.
what is that for?
To install module PyQt5, but I forgot what is pip. Okay. We have done for install. Okay. Try to run it again, Aurora. Okay. Let's see. Line 2. Q widget. Did you use uppercase or lowercase for W? Line number 2. Line 2. Q widget. It should be uppercase. Q widget. The W should be uppercase. And for this one, Qt widgets. The W should be uppercase.
Udah.
Okay. Try again. Okay, let's see. Line 14. The C should be uppercase. Align center.
Why
For,
does the uppercase matter?
yeah, C. Huh? Yeah.
Why does the uppercase matter?
Yeah, because Python is sensitive, yeah. Like small c and uh uppercase C is different. Yeah.
Okay.
Try again. Yeah, it display, yeah. Yeah, but
Generate.
it doesn't function, yeah. Not function yet. Not yet.
No. Oh.
Okay. I will explain it, yeah, a little bit. So, if you want to create like a graphical program like this, yeah, desktop application, Windows application, in Python, you can use library called PyQt5, yeah. And then, can you uh like restore the view, yeah. Uh, okay. Here's the beginning, yeah. Qt core like core uh what do you call it, core, yeah, like inti, yeah, like processor Intel Core i5, Core i7, like is the core, yeah. We use Qt here. Nah, and then for Qt widgets, for the widgets, yeah, Q application, yeah, we want to create application, yeah, so we need to use Q application. And then for widget like Canvas, that you want to put the another widget, yeah, like push button, like label. Here's the widget, okay, widget for widget.
Okay.
Uh, about application, you cannot view it yet because at the main purpose we want to create application you so you can see uh visually about application. Actually, you can create application without all these widgets, ya. But it's unclear, right? Kalau bikin aplikasi without widget kan nggak ada view-nya. Bisa, tapi nggak bisa dilihat gitu, ya. So the
Yep.
core is just for application and widget like Canvas. Yeah. Okay. And then for wait. Push button. Okay. Push button is for the button. Yeah. As you can see like this, generate. Q label for label. Yeah. And then for QV box layout, for layouting, yeah. Layouting, vertically, yeah. From top to bottom. If you want to display it horizontally, you can use QH box layout. So far, any question about line
Um,
1 and line 2?
what the QV box layout is it like
Vertical. When you want to add label, label, push button, label, vertically. Yeah. You can
um
display it horizontally. Just change it into H.
H?
Yeah, H, horizontal.
Oh,
You can also change this section, yeah, Q each box layout and see what the difference.
it's gone.
You need to close it first. Nah,
What?
just one times, yeah.
Huh?
Nah,
Oh.
okay. See the difference?
Oh. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Okay, please change it back. Okay. Any question about another question
No.
about line one and line two? Okay, not yet, yeah. Okay. Uh, for the main code, you just need to type this one 4, 5, 17, 18. Yeah, only one 4 lines. Yeah, line number 4,
Um,
5, 17, 18.
what?
The main code.
The main code.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to create application. Yeah, you can use Q application. You store the Q application to into app variable. Nah, uh, and then for main variable, you store Q widget, yeah, like Canvas. Nah, okay. By default, the widget will hide. So you need to display it using show function. And then the last one, you need to run your application using app.exec. Okay?
Okay.
Nah, okay. Actually, you can maybe you can add comment. Please put your cursor here. Line number 5. That's okay. Enter. Okay. Like give a slash and then asterisk like this.
Slash.
Mm-mm. Like star. Mm, it doesn't function. Python. Sorry. It's for JavaScript. For Python, we use triple double quotes.
What?
Triple double quotes.
Triple double quotes.
Can you delete the slash?
Oh, okay.
Triple double quote. And for this line, 17. 17.
17, 17, 7. Triple double
Yeah,
quotes.
triple. Nah, okay. Try to run it. Okay.
Ini apa?
Yeah. So the main code is just 4 lines here. Okay.
Oh, so basically if I remove this,
Uh, okay. So the main code is just 4 lines. Right.
what
Oh,
about hashtags?
hmm?
Hashtags.
Oh, only for 1 lines. Yeah. But it's too tight.
Ah,
Yeah. If you add one by one. Yeah. So we can use triple double quotes like this. Okay.
okay.
Nah. Uh, line number 7. Uh, set window title. Yeah. Function is for uh, create the title.
Okay.
Uh, try to delete the triple double quotes. Okay, and then add it after this line.
This?
Okay, enter. Oh, no, no, no.
Kok hilang? Oh,
You delete it. Okay, enter, and then triple double quotes, and you will see just 3 times. Now, okay, try it again. Now, okay, see the title.
winner identify.
Same as your
Oh.
code.
Yeah.
Okay, understand, Aurora? Okay, but what happen if we add this line? Try it. You need to add triple double quotes here, and then you can delete it and see what's the result. Uh-uh. Triple double quote,
Well,
triple double quote.
okay.
Okay, try it again. Nothing happened, right?
Um,
Okay, because we only create a push button, the button, and then the label, we only store it into the variable. Okay, we only store it into variable, not display it. Okay, got it?
yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Nah, and then we create line variable storing Q VBox layout for layouting. Yeah, VBox means vertical. So if you want to add a widget by widget, it will store it like vertically because you use VBox layout. Nah, how to add the widget? You can use add widget function like this. The layout, yeah, line, add widget, the variable text. Text mean this one, yeah. The label, uh, click to find out the winner. And then you add the widget again with winner variable means the question mark. After that, you add widget, the button. Okay, button, winner identifier. Key alignment for alignment, yeah, center. Will center at the center. So far,
Yeah.
got it? Okay ya. Nah, for mind win, what is mind win?
Oh, I don't know.
Mind win, mind win. Our widget,
Widget.
right? The
Widget.
widget, right?
Yeah.
Ah, Set layout, we need to set the layout of our widget using, what's wrong with your reason?
Oh, it's broken, I think. No.
Okay, the main win, our key widget, we will set the layout using line variable. Line means this one. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Please. Uh, okay.
Let's
Please delete the triple double quote.
quote.
Okay. So you know the result, yeah?
Yeah.
I will give you a simple challenge. Can you display the question mark first and then put the button at the middle and the last one, click to find out the winner. Can you do it?
What? And here is there, and then here is there, and there is there.
The question mark first and then the push button and the last one, click to find out the winner.
Okay.
Okay. If you're done, you're done, yeah. Hello, Aurora?